Good morning, everyone. My name is Meloetta, and welcome back to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. I already did this day, but Elgato decided not to record because I don't know. So we're not gonna have the morning announcements for today. However, all that Isabel said was that we have a new friend on the island named Limburg that you can see in the bottom right. So let's go ahead and meet Limburg for the first time. I still haven't met him because I forgot to. So here's his house. He has bars on his door. Okay. I don't get why he has those windows or are those literally bars. I don't know. Whoa. This is a cool house. His walls are animated. I really like this. And you are... Oh, you're my neighbor. Ha! Sorry about that. I'm Limburg. Now don't let me get... Now don't let me... I'm sorry. I apologize. Now don't let the creaky... exterior fool you. If I like you, I'm actually a nice fella most times. What's it? I've got a lot of tidying ahead of me. Let's parlay some other days, Squinky. Squinky? Okay. I didn't invite this villager, no, neither did Phantom or Kinesis. He just sort of appeared. So, I don't know. Anyway, at the time might, the, end video, whatever it's called, the end card, might have a little different time, but that's mostly because, I did you guys a favor and went back in time a little bit to, like about 10 or 11, a.m. so that it's not that hard. Oh! Get over here. Where'd it go? There you are. Get over here. Where is it? There you are. No! Stop crossing the river. I will get you. Get over here. Mine! Yeah! A darn your dragonfly, but it better watch its mouth. Oh, darn. Oh yeah, I also did this. I posted this there. We didn't really do much in the episode that didn't record for some reason. Cough, cough, Elgato. But we did get the fountains that I wanted for a little bit. We did find... Okay, oh, I hit the thing, the mic with my controller. However, we did find some cool things. I already have those. Like... I didn't make this, but I found the DIY recipe for this. A cherry blossom wand. I want this. I really do want that. What are you? A Madagascan sun moth. Ooh. Interesting, okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside and craft a few things and put some things away because I was making a few furniture or decorations for outside because I got two things I would really love to go outside if I can find them. Here's one of them. Well, this isn't gonna go out. Well, maybe I'll make another one. I don't know. But to make this one, this is what I wanted for so long. It looks so beautiful. And then, do I still need... where is it? Yeah, that do it. Do I even have the recipe for it? Stone table. Funny day, Mary. Hold on. I thought I got a brick well. Well, here we go. Oh, I need clay. Okay. Here we go. Let's do this. You know what? Maybe I'll make another drinking fountain just for outside. Oh yeah, also during the episode that will never come out because it didn't ever record itself, I changed up my hair, just for today. I'm gonna change it back later. But I changed up my hair to, represent more of my, to represent more of my, pirouette form. Oh, I really like these. I think I finally found something that's not, ugly. I also found the bathrobe. I tried it on. I thought it was something different, but it's just this. It's not that bad. But I'm still gonna put it back. I'm still gonna put it in storage. Okay, fountain. No. That, and that, and that. Come on, pick it up, thank you. Okay, put this up here. I also tried to get started on the bridge, and we didn't get far. So far, all I could have donated was just a couple hundred, not a couple 100,000, no. Just a couple thousand bells. Like, 40,000, I think. But that's like nothing. Let's put the fountain. I want to put the fountain over here somewhere. What about right here, actually? Brick well, drinking fountain, fountain. There we go. That looks nice, doesn't it? I like that. I mean, I'll probably move it in the future, but for right now. Okay, so there's. Oh! Peanut! Hi, how's my bestie, Slacker? What's the latest? I was like way into this walk, but then it started to get boring. And I found you, and it's Fab again! Oh, I don't have it on me anymore. I was gonna give her the bathrobe, see if she would actually wear it. I have given animals clothing, and they have tried it on before. And I want to see if she would wear it. Hey Eugene, how's it going? You liking Tentarafu? Hey Meloetta. Oh, look at you, all fresh and fancy for spring in your thick striped shirt. I don't know where I want to put this drinking fountain. I guess I could put it over here or something. Put it over by my flowers. Well, let's put it in front of the museum. Like right here. That way, if someone is visiting the museum and they get a little parched, They can come right out, get a little drink. Oh, okay. They can come right out, get a little drink, and yeah, just get a little drink and go back in and explore if they really want to. And now up this brick well. I guess I can try putting it over here. I don't want them to be too close to each other, so I'm gonna put this one right here. That looks okay for now. Yeah, that looks okay. I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I don't think this did much to improve our score, but I'm still gonna go ahead and check the score, see if we went up a star or not. I really do hope the Elgato is recording this time. I don't know why it didn't record last time. Okay, there's nothing in there. We didn't really do much in the recording anyways. We just explored the island for a little bit. We found Gulliver again. We helped him out. We should be getting a letter from him in the future. Curious about the current image. Alright, still 1 star. Oh wait! It's a place I've been quietly watching. It's a secret to everybody. I don't want it to be famous. Well, there you have it. Now, if you want feedback from anyone else increasing the population, I believe we've truly improved our island's scenery. I continue to marvel at your skill in decoration and landscape design. We're lucky to have you. Let me know. Alright. Alright. I think we're gonna get one more house. We can do one more. I'm pretty sure. Uh-oh, it's lagging again. Sell some land. Yep, there we go. Every time I see the video lagging, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to like cut the video and try to sync up the audio if it desynced at all. Because in the past, when I was trying to edit the audio and the video at the same time, it would desync and I had to spend like an hour and a half or something syncing up the audio again. I believe that episode was the day we met Norma. So I'll be right back. Now! Okay, I am back. I apologize for that. We have 2 houses that are going to be built. One is over by the left, and one is on the 3rd level over here, on top of this little island thing. I kind of want this house to be... Oh, let's look at the map, actually. Where do we want it? I guess I can find a place over by the left. And I also learned that we can indeed move the villager houses. So even if we don't like the places of these houses in right now, we can always move them in the future. So that's nice. Oh, is that another balloon? Nope, wrong thing. Just an egg. I've been trying not to go for too many eggs, but at the same time, you can never have too many eggs until the day where you have too many eggs. Right here, looks... Actually, should we have, one of the villagers be... Oh, here's Gulliver! As long as my communicator works, again, everything will be alright. Let's hear, no replies yet. It says they read my message. I'll bet they're just busy planning my return celebration. Writing my name's on a big banner, breaking out the good soda. Yeah, that's gotta be it. Well, good luck with that. Well, Oliver. I again almost called him Blathers. I did that too in the episode that will never be shown. Let's put a house right here. I was thinking, should we have one of the houses be on the beach? But even though that's a cool feature, I don't really like it that much. Okay. So now each of these houses should be 10, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that should be enough. Unless they change it in this game again, where they brought back 15 villages from the GameCube. Like back then in the GameCube version of Animal Crossing, you were able to have 15 villages instead of just 10. Oh, Peanut! It's a long one, because I already have this guy. What are you? What are you? You just a tiger beetle? Yeah, you're just a tiger beetle. Are you new? Or are you just a peacock beetle, or whatever you're called? Oh yeah, you're just a peacock butterfly. It's time to strut my stuff, I forgot about that. How many Nook miles do I have? Because if I have enough, I might as well just go to I don't have enough. I was gonna say, if I have enough, let's just go to an island, but I don't have enough, sadly. Alright. Try catching a new fish. Well, okay, that was short-lived. Oh! Where is it? You. Here's an egg recipe present just for wonderful old you. What kind of recipe could it be? What will it make? It's hippity skippity mystery. Gather up eggs to craft it and see. Yours truly, the lucky bunny. Bunny Day Wall. I kind of like how you have to craft the holiday items instead of just buying it. Here's a regular Michelin bottle. I was relaxing yesterday while reading comics when I thought of this recipe. I wanted to share it with someone, so I threw it in this bottle. You'll want to use it all the time. Bunny, Master Crafter. Shell bed. Ooh. I believe this is just gonna be a sea bass. Yep. Oh! If I get 200 more, we can go to an island and see what we can find. I also learned something cool about islands too. If we actually get to one, I will talk about that soon. Are you gonna be an egg? Yep. That's an egg, not a fish. What should I do with it? Oh yeah, I forgot. Also, in the episode, where is it? Equipment? Yeah. We got this. I don't know what I think about this. It looks okay, but at the same time, it looks ridiculous. Alright, you know what? There's a rock I can hit so I can get the 200. And I can also use, I can also get some rock eggs too. Where is, oh, there's more leaf eggs if you want me. Yeah, the eggs kind of are everywhere, and I'm afraid for after when Bunny Day is done, I'll have leftover eggs that I won't know what to do with. So, hopefully we'll be able to use them all. Oh yeah, Phantom was also playing a little bit last night, and I guess he got some eggs. He still doesn't have a house yet, though. Oh, gold! Did I not get any Nook Miles? Oh, yeah, I did. There we go. I don't know why I was so delayed. Alright, hit rocks. Here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and head home and then go check out an island. I have to be careful around that trash. I'm not keeping that outside my house just because. I'm trying to attract ants and flies. Put that in there. That. Let's put the eggs in there in the storage too. Because I'm not going to be needing them for right now. Yeah, you can also eat the eggs. I don't really know what it does for you. I doubt it does much, but... These two I have to donate. Did I donate the peacock butterfly yet? Oh, wrong thing. No, wrong thing. I don't remember if I did. I did. Okay. So I just need to donate the Madagascan moth. The Madagascan moth and the Darner dragonfly. And then that's it. Alright, let's go ahead and grab a little ticket, and then we'll go ahead and sell some stuff, and then we'll go ahead and go to an island. Oh yeah, I also accidentally broke my streak of going to the Nook Miles terminal. So we're back to 1 day in a row. It's okay. I don't really care that much, but still. I thought I would at least try to have that streak going until, I don't know, until like a month. But it's whatever. It's not that hard to get that high anyways. Speaking of month, I hope I'll be able to keep up this streak of going to recording this playthrough every day. Because so far I haven't missed a single day. Well, minus uploading. I'm talking about recording. Because yeah, I have missed a few days of uploading, but I haven't missed a single day of recording. So I hope that I can keep up the pace. I'm kind of curious. Can I do this right now? Alright, no, I can't. I was gonna see if I can do anything special, but I guess not. I guess I'll only be able to do it on Phantom's account. Which I don't really think he'll mind. But I don't really want to go on this account. Maybe, when the video is almost done. Alright, Nick Mouse ticket. Come on. Time for takeoff. I have to stop bending my back so much whenever I'm recording these videos. Because I try to bend my back to get close to the mic because I feel like I'm a little bit quiet. So I try to bend my back to get close to the mic so that you guys can hear me just fine. Wrong thing. Are you joking? Really? Oh wait, there's a villager here. Who is gonna be here? Who is that? Hello? Flora! Great to meet you. Great to meet you. How are you? I'm Flora. Welcome to my hype-tastic island getaway. Okay, it's not my island, but it will be. I want to be a pop star, and all pop stars own islands. So, you're Meloetta from Tentarfu. Fab. I love meeting new folks, aka new fans. I mean, we already have Peanut doing the whole pop star thingy, so I don't really think we need Flora. Good luck relaxing. Thanks. I'm going to relax here so hard, I'm gonna turn into a Flora-shaped puddle. And tomorrow I'll get back to planning to be a world-famous pop star, Pinky. Yeah, I don't know about Flora. We already have Peanut to do the whole the pop star thingy, so we don't need her. Actually, what am I doing? We need... No, how many enough miles do we have? Because if we have enough... I don't exactly know. I'm gonna just buy a shovel. I'm gonna buy a shovel. Because why not? I need tools. Shovel! Utilize it or futilize it. I apologize for that. The tablet kept turning off for some reason. This. I'll turn this into a good shovel if I can hit the hole. Anyways, if I made good use of the eggs pattering, I got an idea. Did we get a new pattern for the, yep. I'm not making those clothes, game. You can stop what you're trying to do right there. Anyways, I heard that, on every island, there's at least one tree that will always have there's at least one tree that will always have a furniture inside of it, and I want to find that tree. while also finding a method involved, if there's any, which I don't know if there is. Wrong thing. Yep, there it is. What is this? Imperial Low Table. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Hey, Flo. Flo? What the heck? There's another villager named Flo, and I accidentally mistaked you for her. Flora. That's your name. I don't know about Flora. Should we invite her to the island? I don't really know. I mean, we already have, Peanut for the pop star thing. And I don't really know if I would want another one, because, to be honest, they would just feel like the same character. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave and I'll maybe try coming back, off screen and look at try to find a different villager. Yes, I wanna leave. Okay, I'm going to... Okay, I'm not ending the episode just yet, but I will borrow Phantom's account to show off a little feature that I hope works, because I think it's a very cool feature. Oh, my back. I tried stretching and now it hurts. You know, speaking of pop star, I'm not saying I was one before, but I did used to do a few shows of singing for a few Pokemon. I used to put on a few shows with Keldeo too, and we had fun. But sooner or later, one of not was it one of us? I feel like Also, this is what Phantom Brain looks like. I think it was me that wanted to take a little break from the whole singing thing. Yes, the singing Pokemon wants a break from singing. I want to see if this works, because if it does, I want to see how this works. Yes, okay. Oh, it does work. Okay. Alright, so yeah. If you have friends on Animal Crossing at all, or friends that play Animal Crossing, you can send letters to them saying hi or sending them gifts or anything really. Sadly, my account can't really do that. So, yeah, my account can't really connect anyone because I don't have Nintendo Online. Phantom does, that's why I had to use his account to show that off. So, I'm going to end this here. So, tomorrow on Animal Crossing New Horizons, we'll be exploring the island more, looking for more of those eggs and more DIY recipes for Bunny Day. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.